Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at how to set up validation rules and also to enforce the database so that when entering data you must enter a field. So let's have a look at the required first, and you'll see if we click onto a particular field that in the field properties we have a required option here, and this is the way that if you want to ensure that something is entered into a field, you simply set this to yes, and the system will then not accept any, not allow you to save a record unless something has been entered into the field. So we're going to set surname as yes, and let's also set address line 1 as yes. So that's very simple to do, and you'll see that it will generate a message should you do that. Second thing we need to have a look at is default values. So a default value is where you might want to put in, when you create a record, a value which is automatically put in there for the user, and it's normally used when the vast majority of the data is normally one thing. So in our customer table here, let's imagine that the vast majority of our customers are based in Dorset. So rather than having to get the user to type in Dorset for most of the time, what we can do is we can set up a default value for county. So we've clicked on county, and I'm going to go down here to default value, and we can add in Dorset. Okay. So if we now save the table and go and have a look at the datasheet view, here is where we'd enter the data, and you'll see that we put in Dorset into the county. You can overtype this, so if they were happen to be in Hampshire or Wiltshire or wherever, you can overtype it quite happily, but it normally saves quite a bit of data for the user.